just filmed like a full intro and realised that my camera was blurry, so I'm quick when I film it again. It's not even an intro, it's just saying I'm going to be showing you how I tidy my room. I do this every Sunday because usually on a Sunday like today it is the F1 and F2 virtual race at 4 and 6, so if I tidy before that and then I've got the rest of the day just to chill and do work, so it usually gets quite bad during the week. So what I do is like Sunday and Wednesday are my 2 clean days. So like Sunday I'll do like a full on deep clean and everything, and Wednesday I'll just hoover and pick anything up, and it'll get like this again for a Sunday. Like, I don't know how it gets like this. I'm also going to do my dressing room today as well, I think, so yeah, you can join me for it all. So quickly before I carry on with my time lapse, I'm just going to show you what I'm cleaning my actual room with. Let me just lift you back up. I'm going to show you what I'm cleaning my room with. So first thing I've got, this is just the Dyson B11 Absolute, just the hoover that I use to hoover my room. And I'm going to be using for my windows just the window lean and for glass. So I have glass on there, so I'm going to clean that with this, and then some kitchen roll, and then this in here is what I clean on my surfaces with. It's diluted, it's 1 capful of Zoflora and then water and my Minky. So I do all my surfaces, so I do my wardrobes, my windowsill, the bits around my window, all my cabinets apart from obviously the glass one, door handles, light switches. I'm not going out anywhere, I'm not literally been leaving the house, but it's just best at the moment to get into the habit of cleaning everything, even if you're not going out like me. It's like best to be in the habit. I just thought I'd quickly jump on and show you what I am actually using to tidy my room, because I don't use like many products to actually clean it. These are like the 3 main ones. Obviously I clean my windows, my mirrors, and then my dressing room I use all the same, because it just smells really good, the Zoflora. There's not a lot left, so I'll probably have to go make another one if I go into my dressing room. But yeah, just thought I'll quickly show you what I'm using. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. I showed you obviously my cleaning products, just the process of my cleaning. It wasn't really that exciting. I just realised I forgot to put something back on top, so I'm going to do that in a minute. It wasn't really that exciting, but it was just literally like a Sunday clean with me. If you want to see what I do on my Wednesday, because my Wednesday is slightly different. Usually on a Wednesday I'll do some organising as well. So on a Sunday I'll mainly focus on cleaning. I know I say deep cleaning. What I mean by deep clean, I mean like my windows and hoovering, because there isn't actually much more I need to do than my windows and hoovering. I'm just cleaning the surfaces because my room isn't dirty, because I keep on top of it twice a week. Usually if you like loads of stuff on the floor on like a Tuesday, obviously I'll clean it up, but I try and get into the routine of Sunday and Wednesday. But yeah, if you'd like to see another video or an organise with me, or just see a deep clean, because when I do a deep clean like of everything, that's when it's more interesting. Also I'm going to be putting some things up on my wall next week, decorating. I've got an F1 picture on here, actually I'll get it and show you. So that is my floorboard, I need to get my floorboards, but yeah, I've got this picture to put up, and it's the iconic Formula 1 cars, but I just haven't got I was putting it up yet. It's in the frame, and it's going to go next to the Gulf 12-hour one. There's only like 300 of them, I've got one, but yeah, that's that, which I'm really excited to get up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you've got any suggestions for videos, feel free to message me because YouTube turned my comments off. Thank you, YouTube. But yeah, my Instagram and Twitter and everything is literally LilyMorris_1, the same as everything. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know. It was just like a chill with me, really. It's not really anything professional, obviously. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, everything. Bye.